Configuring Self-Service Password Reset, SSPR, in Microsoft Entra ID Step-by-Step Guide. In this lab, you'll configure Self-Service Password Reset, SSPR, in Microsoft Entra ID. This feature empowers users to reset their own passwords securely without administrator intervention. Follow these steps to successfully complete the configuration. Step 1. Access Password Reset Settings. 1. Navigate to the Protection section. Log into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Click the Protection dropdown in the left navigation pane. 2. Open Password Reset. Select Password Reset from the security-related settings to begin configuration. Step 2. Define authentication methods. 1. Access authentication methods. Under the Manage heading, click Authentication Methods. Set required authentication methods. Change the number of required methods to 2 for enhanced security. 3. Enable authentication methods. Check the following boxes to enable these methods. Email allows users to authenticate via email. Mobile app notification enables notifications through a mobile app. Mobile phone lets users receive authentication codes via SMS. 4. Save your changes. Click Save to apply the authentication method settings. Step 3. Configure registration settings. 1. Enable user registration. Click Registration under the Password Reset settings. Set Require users to register when signing in to Yes. 2. Update reconfirmation period. Change the reconfirmation period for authentication info from 180 days to 90 days to ensure regular updates. 3. Save your changes. Click Save to apply the registration settings. Step 4. Configure notifications. 1. Enable user notifications. Click Notifications in the Password Reset settings. Set Notify Users on Password Resets to Yes. 2. Enable admin notifications. Enable notifications for administrators when an admin resets a password. Save your changes. Click Save to apply the notification settings. Step 5. Enable Self-Service Password Reset, SSPR. Go to Properties. Navigate to the Properties section under Password Reset. 2. Enable SSPR for selected users. Choose the Selected option to enable SSPR for a specific group. 3. Assign the Human Resources group. Click the link for the current group, e.g., Finance. Scroll down and select the Human Resources group. Confirm your choice by clicking Select. 4. Save your changes. Click Save to finalize the settings. Final outcome. After completing these steps, Self-Service Password Reset, SSPR, will be configured for the Human Resources group with 2-factor authentication methods, email, mobile app notifications, and mobile phone. User notifications for password resets. Admin notifications for administrative password resets. Regular authentication information updates every 90 days. This ensures secure, efficient password management for the enabled group.